All right, we had a record-setting day today, or at least record-tying. 86 was our high at Kenner, and the next few days we will likely tie or break the record. Outside at the moment, we saw just enough sunshine to allow those temperatures to get mid and even some upper 80s, and that is going to be the case over the next couple of days. Looking outside at the moment, we've had kind of partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. 84 is our current temperature with a dew point of 71. There is a bit of a heat index, 89. We're feeling maybe a little bit more early summertime over the next couple of days. Winds out of the south-southwest at 13. We've had this mix of sun and clouds all day today, mainly the low clouds. We have had a little bit of this mid-level cloudiness coming in from the west as well. Current temperatures are still low mid 80s, 88 degree reading up in Bogalusa, and the dew points are high 60s and low 70s. A muggy feel that'll be with us over the next several days, even as our temperatures are expected to come down toward the end of the week, not exactly tapping into drier air. We'll talk more about that extended forecast in just a moment. Very breezy. Winds have been strong out of the south. They'll start to settle through the night tonight, but then picking up during the next couple of days. I'm saying nearly hot with high temperatures in the record range in the mid upper 80s. We can call that almost hot. We'll reserve hot for the 90s, which we know not too far away. Wetter and milder pattern toward the end of the week and going into the start of our Easter weekend. But right now, Easter Sunday is looking mild and dry. Here's what's going on in the near future. Upper ridging is really starting to bake much of the south central, southeastern, and Gulf Coast states. Underneath that ridge is where we have this big warm-up. We're also looking out to the west over the next couple of days where another big upper trough is going to one, suppress that upper ridge so temperatures won't be nearly as bad toward the end of the week, and two, send in a front. Here's the problem. This upper trough, main energy, is going to start lifting away, and we're going to be stuck with this southwesterly flow aloft. What that is going to do is stall the front to our west and north. So this range, we're looking at quite a bit of rain accumulation, and also as that system begins to set up, another risk of severe weather in primarily the same places that have just been hit, kind of out toward the Iowa to just west of Chicago, and also another area, kind of another pocket for some severe storms and tornadic storms at that, right around that Oklahoma, northeast Texas into Arkansas. So another potential for tornadic storms tomorrow going into early on Wednesday. And over the course of the next several days, we are looking at quite a bit of rainfall setting up. Maybe a little bit more of a flooding issue off to our west. We're not expecting the rain accumulations to be that high in southeast Louisiana. Over the course of several days, may see a couple of inches of rainfall, but that is not all coming at once. So here's the start of the rainfall. Next day, day and a half or so, we're relatively dry. Maybe a spotty shower chance on Wednesday. Thursday into Friday is when we'll start to see more of our rainfall beginning to set up as this front kind of nears the area and also slows down. By Friday into Saturday, it looks like the front will slide through, so temperatures coming down, and it does look like we should be drier for Easter Sunday. Maybe an isolated sprinkle. So our wetter days will be Thursday, Good Friday, and into early on Saturday. Then at the moment, mostly dry and pretty mild as we head into Easter Sunday.